Just do it. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Sole Post, and this is another Sole Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 90 white all over print, Just Do It. Similar to the Air Max 95, this shoe from the Just Do It pack features the all over logo, but this shoe features the Air Max 90 era Air Max logo as opposed to the Air Max 95 one. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is white and black. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features the all white upper with the Air Max 90 era Air Max logo all over the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you got the white toe box with the white toe cap, and both of them have the all over print. The shoe features a mesh white tongue with the black Nike swoosh on it. The insole is black with the white Nike swoosh as well. Taking a look at the lateral, you've got the white base with the white overlay panels, and all of them have the Air Max logo all over it. The heel is white with the white Air Max logo. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the white base as well as the overlay panels, and all of them feature the Air Max logo on it. The midsole is white with the exposed Nike Air Max unit, and the outsole is also white. Similar to the Air Max 95, I'm not really a big fan of this colorway. I think it's also the upper, like the material on this upper is weird. Like I don't know, I can't get with it. Like it feels almost like a patent leather, just a bit. I feel like if it was regular leather, I'd probably feel a bit more fondly about it, but these embossed logos just aren't doing it for me. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Ryan Little.
The Air Max 90 all over print, Just Do It, hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 2nd for a retail price of $130. Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.